Hey Andrea, this is Angelica, and I'm going to show you three things that you could do today that would help improve your business and bring more customers. I know you guys don't have a site, so like I said, I'm just going to kind of go off a site here that I see. So people search for keywords in Google for businesses, I mean, billions of times, literally. So this is a keyword, one of the words that people are actually searching for. So this is what comes up. This is the map pack. We'll get to that in just a second, but let's just say clean, squeaky clean house. This was your website, right? So you always want to have a number here. They don't have a number, but you want a number that's clickable, like for mobile sites, so that your customers can immediately come to you. They do have a contact chat, but if people have to go and do work, you're going to lose them. They're going to go somewhere else. So that's one thing I see off the bat here. They do have a free quote here, but most people don't like to fill out something. They just want a number to click and call, right? So they've got content, which is great. You want to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. They've got the reviews and a form here. So this isn't, they just built out a form here, but they did it kind of weird. But anywho, they have this, see, this wasn't even really standing out. I had to find that there. Then of course they have where they can immediately pay, which is fine too, but it's just kind of like centered weird. It looks weird. Like I thought this was reviews. You can't even really tell. But you get the idea. You want to have at least 1,500 words of content. And within the content, the words you're using, you want to use actual keywords that people are searching for in Google to find your site. You want to have this formatted a lot better. If it's something that you want people to immediately pay for, you can still have that. But I probably wouldn't have it just right there in front of you like that. Probably have a drop down for the payment. But anywho, let's go back here. So that would be, let's say it was your site and here's how it'd be ranking. You ultimately, this is the goal, to be here. Most consumers are going to choose the top person, if not one of the people in the map pack when they Google something. This section under it's called the organic section. So your business name, address, and phone number, it has to be registered in directories. That makes a citation. So you want at least 200 citations. Not just because it's part of how Google gives you the authority to show up here, but also it can be 20% of your business because that's how people find your number, right? In yellowpages.com, yelp.com, even Better Business Bureau. Those are all directories. And Yelp is a big one. When people click on your website from Yelp and they go to your site, that creates a backlink. And we'll explain that more in detail, but this organic section is mainly how you're going to be ranking because of your keywords. Like for instance, Lubbock cleaning. You see these in bold. Those are keywords. So the first thing, like I said, is content. You want as much content as you can, at least 1,500 words. You want pictures. You want pictures named after those keywords. You want it formatted correctly. The second thing was the citations. You want at least 200. And we build those out. We help our clients because there's some that are paid, there's some that are free. The last thing is the backlinks, like I was telling you. So if we go over here, we use a paid system called Arrows. It just gives you an idea of more or less of how your website's performing. So Squeaky Clean House here in Lubbock, they have 18 words. So what this is saying is of those 18, they've got 16 people that's come into their site every month. So that is converting money for customers, right? That's ultimately what you want. So if you look at their keywords, this means that people are searching for cleaning services Lubbock. 100 people a month are searching for those keywords. So that's what you want. You want all these mixed in with your actual site, right? And of course the backlinks. So they only had one, but those links also give you the authority to show up here in this section with Google. Just think of it as a popularity contest. So if Google sees you've got tons of content on your page, People are referencing your page for information. Like, let's say you have a how-to videos, pictures, you have information on the ways to do certain cleaning or etc., and you have your services, and people are using your site as a reference. That gives you huge search engine juice, so to speak. So that's another way of gaining customers, is you want those words and links set properly so you can gain and be in this section, or definitely this section. Makes sense? So those are the 3 tips that we share with businesses for free. You know, they can either do it themselves or they hire us to save themselves some time, because a lot of this is very easy but very tedious, and most businesses don't either know about this or don't know how, or just really don't have the time. So, you know, if you guys want us to help you build out a site and do this for you, let's chat. You know, it could definitely scale your business and bring more money into your pocket. So, but you can reach back out to me and we can chat. Thank you.